Hello, my name is Ashutosh, and today we are going to discuss about counting principles. So it is applicable to the permutation and combination both because both are the counting methods. We will try to understand in this video that what is the basic principle of counting. So firstly, what is counting? Counting principle or counting rules are used to counting the total number of ways in which you can perform any of the possible experiment. Okay, whether it can be selection or it can be arrangement, that is permutation, or combination, that depends. Okay, but both are known as the counting method only. There are two rules in the counting method. First one is the multiplication rule and second one is the addition rule. So let's try to understand what is this multiplication rule and what is this addition rule of the counting method. Firstly, multiplication rule. Let's say if the two tasks are there, task 1 and task 2, and the task 1 can be done in m ways while task 2 can be done in the n ways. And if the question is asking you in how many ways you can complete the task 1 and task 2, be it the combination or permutation, be it the arrangement or the selection, the total number of ways in which we can count we can complete the task 1 and the task 2 will be written as m into n. So it will be a kind of multiplication. This is also called the fundamental method of counting. When you have and, you multiply. So for example, if Carolyn is trying to decide what to wear, she has 3 shirts, pink, yellow, and white, 2 pants, red and orange. So there are 2 tasks. One, the number of ways in which she can wear the shirt. Second task, the number of ways in which she can wear the pant. The question is how many different outfits can she choose from from the given pair of pants and shirts. So assuming she can select only one shirt and one pant at a time. Okay. So in this case, we can say if I have to figure out in how many ways this can be done, it is simply m into n. So you can decide the number of shirts in 3 ways, number of pants in 2 ways. So number of ways in which you can select the different outfit, that could be 3 into 2. That is, we can say in this case is 6. Okay. So this is how we use the multiplication rule in the counting method. Next is the addition rule. If the two tasks, task 1 and task 2, and task 1 can be done in the m ways, task 2 can be done in the n ways, and the question is about or. Okay, the task 1 or task 2 can be done in m plus n ways. So if you have and, you multiply. That's the multiplication rule. If you have or, you have to add. That is m plus n ways. So if a student wishes to take either a mathematics course or a biology course, but not both, if there are 4 mathematics courses and 3 biology courses for which the student has the necessary prerequisite, then in that case, the question is how many ways the student can choose a course. So it is a case of either and or. So whenever you have the or, you have to use the addition part. So in this case, we can simply add the number of ways in which you can choose the mathematics courses, which we can say is given as 4. And the number of ways in which you can choose the biology courses, that is 3. And then total is going to be 7. So she can select one course or she can choose one course in the total of 7 ways for this. Okay. So this is the multiplication and addition rule of fundamental method of counting or fundamental principle of counting. Okay. So that's all for this counting method. Thank you.